Hi guys, the Ultimate Gamer here, and I'm back with an unusual episode. This is it's kind of like a Japanese Nerf gun that I picked up from a closing down shop. It's called Phantom Storm, and I know it's Japanese because all it says is Japanese, doesn't say Nerf or anything. So yeah, this is gonna be an unboxing of this baby. So let's get undone. It needs 5 batteries, which I have. Yeah. So, got a trusty bread knife. This should do the job, hopefully. Or else I have to go get the sharp knife. The sharp free knife thing, whatever. Hold up from this side. I'm gonna keep the box. Hold on. Wait, there. Just stand there for a second. I'll just open the box. Okay. Just a bit of sellotape, guys. Sorry. Hold on. Tackling some. Here we have it. So it's unboxed. Let's see what it looks like. I just need to put you down, guys. There. Be the, as you can tell by the title, it's the Phantom Storm Japanese Nerf gun unboxing and testing. This is basically what we have. Sorry guys, just hold on 1 minute second. I'm going to show you the gun. That's basically the gun. Let me just put it into front shade. That's the gun. And you get some normal bullets and some sticky bullets. And that's pretty cool. So you have it. Now let's get this open. So I need to set you guys down here for just 1 more second. There you go. Hello. So, yes, let's get our bread knife. I don't think it's pull up. Damn, guys, hold on. Hold on. I've never done these in my life. How do you do this? Hold on, guys. I'm just going to get some scissors. Wait there. Wait, I'll be back in like... Hi guys, I'm back with scissors. Sorry about that. So I couldn't do that with a normal knife. This is what I needed to cut through. The middle things. So hard. I just recommend using the sharp scissors. They usually just cut right through them. Loop through. I'm going to throw these in the box. For now. So yeah guys, it's my first unboxing video. Don't be all like, hey, you're crapping unboxing this. It's my first time. And I really appreciate it if you like, comment, and sub. Oh my god, this is a tough one. Wait 1 sec, guys. These scissors are not doing it for that. Okay, I clipped that. Did a lot of damage to the box as well. There we go. That's your second one. I am recording with my iPod. I thought that's the best really thing I could do. So that's a flip. So here's your gun. I think it's pretty good for 15 quid. 15 euros. There you get a scope with it. And we're going to be testing this out. I'd say it's just like a normal Nerf gun. Just place the gun in there. Get our handy, get our handy bread knife. I didn't know why I just placed my iPhone on concrete. It's a bad idea. I just broke my scissors. No, okay, I did almost. Yay! So, I see set you guys right there. You can look at, I don't know what you're looking at right now, but still. What is this attached to? I'm making the box. I want to keep the box. Okay. Here's the bullets. Whoa, what? Sorry. It's upside down there. There's your bullets. You get, I believe you get some sticky ones. And you get the normal ones. We'll be just doing the normal ones. I'm going to save the sticky ones for something else. So let's go ahead and load these normal ones. And if you like me unboxing, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And leave there in the comment section what you want me to do. I believe this takes batteries, which I do have 5 in my pocket. Hopefully that's enough. If it's 6, then I have to run in, and I think there's one more or something. Let's just try 4 bullets for now. We're not going to load the whole thing because it's going to take us for ages. So yeah, guys. Save that there. Where did the batteries go? Hold on. I'll find it out. Whoa. I'll find it out. It's the on button. That's the off button. Okay. It's very light for a gun. I mean, like. There we go. Damn it, do I need a screwdriver? Guys, hold on. This is busted. I'm just gonna go and open it. You can, guys, look at these scissors for a minute or something. Just wait 1 second. Guys, sorry about that. My mother is coming. She's doing it there. That sharp thing. Say hello to YouTube, Mum.
Hi, YouTube.
I didn't know there was a screwdriver for that, like a screw.
We don't have a screwdriver, so we're using a blade, which is very safe.
Yeah, very safe. Is it working?
Yeah.
Great. Sorry that YouTube that it's taking for ages.
Don't lose the screw.
Just put the screw in that box there. Just like, yeah. So there's the screw.
Okay, there's the screw.
Now just, okay. YouTube, I'm just gonna let you sit there when I put in the batteries. Yeah, batteries, look at batteries. Okay, how do I do this? This one like that. That one like this. This one like that. This is easy. That one like this. And this one like that. It's easy unboxing it, really. Hold on, YouTube, I'm sorry. Give me a break. Okay, YouTube, here we go. Is this on or off? Listen a lot now. See how far they went. I said it went about a couple of meters. See how far that went. Where are they? went about a good couple of meters. It's a good gun. I mean, like, Christ. First machine gun ever got in Nerf. So there we go, 4 bullets. That's pretty cool. So yeah, how about we try this? How about we do more bullets? Yeah. Okay, YouTube, I'm just gonna rest you down there. Don't go anywhere. Are you still there? Yes, you're probably still there. Hopefully you are still there because I'm doing the best I can. Building things, doing things. YouTube, just stay there. I'm just fixing this for YouTube. So we're gonna do all the bullets. YouTube, I hope you like this because it's my first unboxing and I'm spending money that I've got for you guys and myself, basically. Only a couple more to load, YouTube. Don't worry. You guys asked for it. Don't say you don't, because you know you do. Oh no, a packet fell. Wait. I can't let that blow away. Wait a sec, YouTube. I want everything. Hold on, YouTube, just wait. I don't know why I keep saying YouTube, but you're all my audience, and I really appreciate if you give me more support for this. So here we are, YouTube, fully loaded machine gun. Here we go. Wait, power. That's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna get the bullets before they blow away. So I want these bullets so bad. I do for the bullets, but not as good as not these type of bullets. Some of them went out weird. Some of them did not. So there we have it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see a video where I use them other sticky darts, I want you to say in the comments and I will do it. First comment that just says it, I will do it, okay? I just need you to support me a lot in this, okay? Okay. Peace out. Hope you sleep well, or whatever, or